I told my master the story of a parrot which goes like this. A man lived in a jungle. He had a wonderful parrot. He was very attached to it. When he used to go away for work, he was always worried about the parrot. He thought of an idea. He taught it a sentence to make him aware of a hunter. He was of the mind that if the parrot keeps saying this sentence in his absence, then it can save itself from the hunter. He taught it this sentence. A hunter will come, cast his net, and take me along. The parrot learnt it in no time and started singing it beautifully all the time. A hunter will come, cast his net, and take me along. Unfortunately, a hunter did come one day. He heard the parrot singing this sentence beautifully. He wished to take it along with him. The parrot was still singing that sentence. The hunter caught it in the net and took it along. But the poor, stupid parrot was still singing, the hunter will come, cast his net, and take me along. It could never understand that this sentence was a trick taught by its master to keep it safe in his absence. The master was very sad on finding the parrot missing. Based on this story, Swami Tyagi Puri says, spiritual knowledge doesn't spread by word of mouth publicity. It's an achievement. Spiritual knowledge is an achievement. When this achievement, this accomplishment happens within, then awareness is generated. Wisdom awakens, and that wisdom explains spiritual knowledge. Everyone has to understand it individually. Anyone who has understood it, and now he, if takes help of words to make someone understand, then it'll become the story of that poor, stupid parrot. The parrot had no wisdom. He had crammed the sentence taught by his master, but he could not save himself because he had no wisdom of his own. In the same way, if we have crammed the knowledge given by our master, then it doesn't mean that we have become wise, because wisdom comes from within.